All right, money makers. This is your boy Duran, and as always, we stay making you make money. Contentin is another side hustle platform for freelancers where they can create different projects, just create different content and stuff like that. So here's the creator application form that you have to fill out, that you have to submit to this particular platform, Contenin, Contenin. Putting your first name, last name, email address, how many videos you can produce each week, each month. So, on average, I think I produce what, 7 times 4 weeks in a month. I think I produce about 28 videos per month. So that would be what I would put if I was to sign up for them. Because I do 7 videos every week and it's 4 weeks in a month. So I do about 28 videos a month. And that could be depending on if it's a leap year or not. But typically it's about 28 or a little bit more. So that's what I will put for me, put in my address, share any additional information about you. And this is where you want to get really creative and stand out from the crowd because you're not going to be the only one that's submitting this content creator application. It's going to be a lot of content creators that's going to be submitting this application. So you got to really stand out and say why they should really select you. They might be selecting multiple people, but they really want to know what do you bring to the table that's different from everybody else. So that's your chance to really explain and get really in depth about what you do that no one else does, because you might be the winner. You never know. And I talk about stuff like this all the time on my channel. So, are you a skilled content creator ready to take on exciting projects by joining our freelance network? You'll gain direct access to job postings from global brands looking for high quality, short form content. We are seeking creators who can manage the entire production process from script writing, story building to filming and posting. So, our platform connects you with projects where you can showcase your expertise, collaborate remotely, receive competitive compensation for every video project, and expand your portfolio. Apply now, become part of our creative opportunity. And that's what I say. Go ahead and submit all of this and then click to apply. And then someone is going to get back with you probably within 2 days or more, depending on how many people they have ahead of you and what their competition looks like. But go ahead and give this a try. I'm rooting for you guys. Like I said, we have a cash giveaway at the end of this month, and then also the Perplexity AI. So if you don't get selected for this, you might get selected from one of those. But know that my Perplexity AI project is over 2 weeks, and you cannot complete it before 2 weeks. If you do, you will be disqualified, and you will not be eligible for any of my cash giveaways ever again because you have to listen and follow the instructions just like you would if you was on a job or you was working with a client and they ask for specific directions. If you cannot do that, then do not join. I'm really proud of you guys, but you got to learn that it's a tough world out here. And if you think you're going to get money every single week, you're sadly mistaken because there has been weeks where I have not gotten money, but I put in a lot of applications or I put in a lot of focus group applications, and I didn't get selected for none of them. So um, it's money to be made online, but I just wanted to make sure that you understand that sometimes you're not going to always make money, and you have to dip into your savings or have backup plans or even have a job because it's not guaranteed to always make money online. So just wanted to let you guys know that, but make sure you follow up with the Perplexity AI or a random cash giveaway at the end of December, or this one that I'm presenting to you. If you are a freelancer, this would be a good opportunity. But let me know and have a great day.